Hello students, I'm Shreya Sethia and today we are going to study class 8 civics chapter number 1 and we will start with hard words. So let's start. First word is anarchy. ANARCHY, anarchy. Meaning of this word is lawlessness or absence of law or democracy. It's called anarchy. Then dominance, DOMINANCE, dominance. It means power or influence over other. It's called dominance. Then credible, CREDIBLE, credible. It means believable or trustworthy. It's called credible. Then next is arbitrary. Arbitrary, ARBITRARY, arbitrary. It means according to wish. According to wish. Next is evolve. EVOLVE, evolve. It means to develop over a period of time. It's called evolve. Then legitimacy, LEGITIMACY, legitimacy. It means legality or lawfulness. Legality or lawfulness. Next is enacted, ENACTED, enacted. Enacted. It means approve. Approve. Humiliated, HUMILIATD, humiliated. To make someone foolish or ashamed is called humiliate, right? Next is constituent assembly. Constituent assembly, right? Now constituent assembly, CONSTITUENT, constituent assembly, ASSEMBLY, assembly. Now constituent assembly was formed for drafting the constitution of India, right? That is called constituent assembly. Then next is deliberation, DELIBERATION, deliberation. It means planning carefully. Okay, planning carefully. Next is dignity, DIGINITY, dignity. Meaning of this word is self-respect or quality of being worthy. It's called dignity. Next is infused. Infused, INFUSED, infused. Meaning of this word is feel or to make something have particular quality. To make or feel something with a particular quality is called infused. Next is fraternity, FRATERNITY, fraternity. It means brotherhood or mutual support. It's called fraternity. Then next is envisage, 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 envisage. Meaning of this word is to imagine. It's called envisage. Next is socialism. Socialism, SOCIALISM, socialism. Meaning of this word is idea that all people are equal and that money and property should be equally divided. Is called socialism. Next is federalism, FEDERALISM, federalism. Meaning of this word is mixed form of government or a proper distribution of power is called federalism. Okay, or federalism. Then next is legislation, LEGISLATION, legislation. It is a part of government or we can say it is a kind of organ of a government which makes a law. It's called legislation. Okay, next is birch of law. Birch of law. BREACH. Birch of law. Birch of law. Meaning of this word is break of some rules or law. It's called birch of law. Next is secularism or secularism. It is considered that India is a secular country and no religion. India has no particular religion. It's a secular country. It means it respects every religion. It's called secularism or secularism. Next is rigid. 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 It means not being flexible. Not flexible. Rigid means not flexible, inflexible. Next is constitutional remedies. Constitutional remedies. CONSTITUTIONAL. Constitutional remedies. 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 Meaning is right of citizen to move to court of law in case of any denial of fundamental right. It's a kind of remedy or a solution which was given by our constitution to move to the court of law if they are denied of any fundamental right. Now next word is fundamental rights. FUNDAMENTAL. Fundamental rights. 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 Now fundamental rights are the rights which are given by the constitution. There are few rights which are given by the constitution of India. Next is preamble. 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 Meaning is introductory part of our constitution or introductory page of our constitution. It's called preamble of India. Then next is directive principle. DIRECTIVE. Directive principles. 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 It means a kind of guidelines. Directive principles means guidelines.